everyone, I'm Tiffany, a product tester here at From. In today's video, I will show you how to take care of your shears. A stylist's shears are their most important tool, so be sure to clean, oil, sharpen, and adjust the tension often. To care for your shears, you'll need a clean cotton cloth, shear oil, and a tension tool. After every haircut, wipe the blade from the pivot of the shear to the ends with a cotton cloth. Remember to close your shears and place them on a towel between use. This will help protect the blades. Oil your shears once a week to prevent corrosion. Use a single drop of oil between the blades and set screw. Open and close your shears several times, working the oil behind the joint. This will help release the product and hair fragments between the blades and around the screw. Go ahead and wipe away any excess oil. About every 6 months, have your blades sharpened. Remember, dry or chemically treated hair will dull your shears rapidly. Sharpening needs vary depending on the material of the shear, the edge type, and the overall quality level. Remember, carrying your shears in a case is the best way to keep them protected. A shear's perfect performance depends on its tension. To test the shear's tension, hold the finger ring in your left hand with the blade pointing up. Open the shears 90 degrees with your right hand and then release. An angle of 10 to 30 degrees between the blades is ideal. If the angle is less than 10 degrees, the tension is too loose. If the angle is more than 30 degrees, the tension is too tight. Use the tension tool from your kit to adjust the shears. To tighten, turn the screw to the right. To loosen, turn the screw to the left. Make small adjustments and test after each one until the tension is right. Every tool needs additional maintenance sometimes. Fortunately, most problems you have are easily solved. All nicks on a blade require sharpening. If your shears fold or push the hair, double check the tension. Usually, this means the tension is too loose. If the folding or pushing continues, have your shears sharpened. Explore and learn more about the content of your kit by visiting From's YouTube channel for a full list of equipment care and trade secret videos. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment or send an email to info@frombeauty.com.